Hey everybody, so this is the other side of the generator, and I thought it would be good to discuss this guy because it's just a problem when you're dealing with the auto start controllers. So this again, here is the control panel. It comes down with those two screws, drops down. This is all the wiring to all the plugs on the thing. And then here's a lot of the stuff back here for the generator. You got fuses all over in here. Right here, this is what we're going to talk about today. This little guy, this little plastic cover comes off, okay? Make sure to always remember to put it back on because it's good to have that on there. You don't want to have potential wires touching these things. This side is generator. This side is the auto start controller. You can see all these wires. Now I have another video where I talk about hooking up the wire, the controller, which is on the other side over there, like on the back side of the generator. There's just not enough room to do it on this side, so having it on the back side actually works really good. I thought I would just talk about all these right here because this was just took time for me to figure out what all those meant. So let's hit LB is the battery, low battery. And WS is the water sensor, like if there's water sensor like for the fuel, but I don't know if it's really the water sensor. That could be the oil pressure as well. I'm sorry, the OS, I think is the oil. And then you have RS and RS1 and RS2. Notice that they're not connected here, okay? That means that this Kubota generator, which is, by the way, a 7000, it does not have any remote start capabilities, and that is why we have to have this little external controller to drive everything. And then you have line 2 and line 1, which that's the electrical input from the stator. Like so, then you've got 120 volts. 30 is the glow plugs. And I don't know why 30. I wonder if maybe that's how many amps it pulls. I don't know. But 30 is the glow plugs. AC is the start control or automatic controller. AC is the activation circuit. 19 is another. What was 19? Unfortunately, it's going to stop the video again. It might be the run circuit, and then 50 is the cranker for the cranking, the starter engine, and then earth, obviously, is the earth ground, okay? So that's what all those mean right there, okay? And then you can see this big wall of wires here, right? These feed back to that controller on the other side. And if you look down here, there's fuses in line. They're not very well positioned because it's kind of a like I blew one of these earlier, and it was kind of a hassle to change it because you got to reach in there and you got to manipulate it and access it and stuff. But just remember that odds are you're going to have some fuses in line for the fuel pump, the starter, and the glow plugs. Those are the three that definitely will have fuses in there because you don't want to pull too much power, which that can happen. So anyway, that is how I connected this up. I had to figure this out because these were completely taken apart, and so it was a lot of work to actually piece that all together. The documentation didn't seem like it really had a good spot for it, and I wish they could have been a little bit better on the acronyms or the two-letter abbreviations. Because I mean, why do you think 50 is your cranker for your starting motor? I don't know. Anyway, if someone's trying to hook up a automatic controller, I think some of these videos, this one and the one about the controller, might be very helpful for them to watch. Okay, well that's it for this video. I still have a couple more videos I gotta make. This was a crazy issue on this trailer. Had a lot of issues.